Africa represents the greatest unmet need for digital pathology services in the world. Scanning glass pathology slides at high zoom requires sophisticated and expensive equipment and IT infrastructure. This problem alone causes the delay in the adoption and rollout process at scale. Worldwide AI developers also need access to medical cases unique to Africa. SlideCloud is creating a templated central cloud-based digital pathology infrastructure that can be used by any size lab, be rolled out faster for less cost, that drives collaborative AI. It allows labs to roll out a full-fledged end-to-end slide scanning solution in days, not years. While other solutions focus on one-off deployments of scanners, SlideCloud focuses on solving mission-critical site redundancy, while offering the lowest cost at scale than any other solution. Our fully managed cloud scanning solution includes the slide scanners, the IT infrastructure, the software and access to IT experts for effortless transitioning into digital pathology at scale. With a better infrastructure, caseload balancing, and AI-assisted diagnostics, the net result is faster, more accurate patient care that costs less.